Well, well done. I greet you now, especially. You want to sit down like this, like the floor they affect you now. What did that happen now?
Hey, oh boy, this flood, the warriors no be small, oh. Because as I did like this, so I don't go buy packet of lift or my drink. Eh? The flood, the warriors, no be small thing.
Eh?
Yes, so.
Because I dey see water for everywhere. Even my house said the flood don't reach middle level. How can I be for your side? Can you imagine? As usual, flood they affect them. So you listen, this flood water nothing they make your tea they drink. Ah,
hey, after this time now, I'll go filter this flood water, they can do better lift on to drink because as you they look this water, so you know they different with this lift on water.
But now go cause sickness now. No wahala. More than no worry, God take control, yeah? And make I go meet that man when they knack boats for there. Make I ask him why they now make I go assist him one way or the other.
You
I dey come back.
Yes,
I sabi that boat. I dey come make I go assist.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier.
Oh God, I mean they call you. You dey knack boat. Ah, your ear sef. Let's say the boat they knack don't block your ear. Oga,
Hello.
this one wey dey knack boat. What you this boat they do now?
This boat.
Eh,
This boat is for the floor for people.
you want use that for flood?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
Can you imagine, oh? Oga, okay, now no wahala. Now make I help you knack this now. Make I help you knack.
You be carpenter.
My grandpapa na dey build one ark na. I dey build one that big ark during flood wey come. My grandpa dey among people wey build am. So the spirit of building of boat and ark dey my body. This one pepperly everywhere. You see am go dey fine.
Really?
Yes o.
The spirit of boat dey inside you.
Ah, dey build fire.
Jesus.
Really? Make I help you now. Yes.
Okay, I saw you say this grand noir son.
No grand pikin. No
Grand pikin.
English.
Grand pikin.
Yes.
Knack am.
Make I knack am for you. Ah! Jesus! Which kind man now you give me oga? I
No
no
be
go
say
knack my hand.
no be na you say just now say be carpenter.
I be no grand pikin na. We no dey use this kind of man. I no go give me hammer wey say head no straight.
Na this one we dey use for
I
this
don
side.
tire for this country oga. I'm going back to my country. This is not Nigeria. I'm going back to my country now. In my country, Nigeria, there is no flood like this. People no dey suffer like this.
But here is Nigeria.
Yes, not Nigeria. I trust my president.
Here is Nigeria.
I trust my leaders. This is not Nigeria. I dey go Nigeria, my country. Nigeria, my country. This is not Nigeria, my country.
This is Nigerian country.
Oga no argue with me. I am going to my country, Nigeria. If na Nigeria, my country, they for not produce IDP camp for people wey say flood affect.
Is that so?
If na Nigeria, my country, they for not provide rice, indomie, spaghetti, rice and beans, share for people who say they dey suffer.
Terrible.
Yes, so I'm going to Nigeria, my country. Nigeria, my country, there's no suffer. This is not Nigeria. I'm going to my country. Me, I will carry my load. I go to Nigeria. I dey go my country, oh. Nigeria, I don't tire for you. You suffer for here. You suffer for here, don't too mature. I'm going to my country. Na mature problem na full here. I'm going to Nigeria. Follow, you are following me, Abi? Let's go. We have a good leaders in Nigeria. This is Nigeria. Flood, people they suffer. Come, oya mo dey go.
Bye bye.
Yes, we are going to- You know their view. I'm going to Nigeria. Yeah, carry the bag. We are going to Nigeria. This is not Nigeria.
You say you are going to Nigeria? I tell you that here is Nigeria. You said that you are going to Nigeria. Where is the Nigeria now? Here is Nigeria. Yes.
Nigeria.
Yes.
Just Nigeria be this.
This is Nigeria.
Life for
Nigeria.
them like this.
Yes.
And you can say